everyone, this is Katerina from Aegis Home Care and Hospice, and for months of the September I like to challenge you with cooking. Not any kind of cooking. This has to be healthy cooking since we're trying to keep everybody healthy and fit. So listen for the challenge. Healthy Recipe Contest was inspired by Julia Child and fun movie about her, Julia and Julia, where New Yorker Julia Powell embarks on a daring project. She vows to prepare all 524 recipes in Julia Child's landmark cookbook, Mastering the Art of French Cooking. All you have to do is to submit your healthy recipe of any kind, main dish, appetizer, or dessert, to Katerina S. at aegishospice.com during months of September. Photos of the meal and shopping list are encouraged. All the recipes will be added to creation of recipe book from Aegis Atlas employees and friends. I will share with you one of my recipes, chicken and veggie skillet. All you need is to have olive oil, pan, and garlic, onion. You can use carrots, zucchinis, or any type of veggies you like. Usually I start with the olive oil in a pan and then I add garlic and onion, brown a little bit, add carrot and zucchinis and stir it for a little bit, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and then put it in a different dish. Add a little bit more olive oil and put the chicken in the pan, a little bit of garlic salt and chicken seasoning, and brown the chicken. Keep stirring. When your chicken is done, you can take all the veggies and mix them all together with the chicken, and dinner's ready. You can serve this dish with rice on the side, or you can make chicken balls where you place the meat, rice, and maybe on the top you can put avocado. Good luck of your new journey of healthy cooking. Everyone, please stay healthy and fit, and stay tuned for new tips and challenges. Bye.